We got Mikey and Sunny. Who will finish faster, people? Santi left, eh? Oh, I gotta get the hose. Starting to get a little windy, guys. This is what we call tag team. Most people don't got it like this. Most people get small jobs. This is where you have two people on there. How we make our money, people. Learn from us. Learn from us.